Before assembling the stainless steel work table with adjustable bracing, be sure that all parts, hardware, and quantities are included and also allow ample room in close proximity to where the product will be placed. Make sure to not over-tighten any fittings or use power tools to assemble this product. Start by making sure each bullet foot is fully retracted by turning the foot clockwise. This will allow you to level the table once the assembly is completed. Measure from the bottom of the bullet foot up the leg 10.5 inches and mark the leg with painter's tape. Repeat this step for each leg. This measurement will be a guide to help position the bracing. Assemble the bracing and knuckles on a secure flat surface and tighten the set screws with the provided Allen wrench. Insert each leg into the bracing up to the start of the painter's tape and tighten the set screws. Next, with assistance, carefully place the tabletop face down on a smooth, secure surface. Ensure all set screws on each tabletop gusset are unscrewed far enough to allow the leg and bracing assembly to be fully inserted into the gussets. With assistance, lift and insert the leg and bracing assembly into the tabletop gussets and securely tighten the set screws. Make sure all set screws on the table are tightened and with assistance, flip the table over and set upright. If your work table is not level, adjust the bullet feet clockwise or counterclockwise to the desired height.